Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. John here. It's time to start building our dream. So this week we are set up in North Georgia. We came up to Clayton, Georgia. We've been up here a couple of times. We ran the Georgia Traverse and the Scar Connector route to the Trans-American Trail. A lot of Forest Service roads, and we stayed along the river last night again. We got some new additions to the Jeep. Here we've got our brand new Crescent Crew kayak. Fits perfect on top of the CVT tent. The CVT will hold up to 100 pounds. So as you can see, it's a good setup. So Crescent Crew will have lots of adventures. There's all kinds of overland vehicles out here, from Gladiators, Toyotas, Lexus, Nissan, Land Rover, you name it. Here's a Ford, and we've got quite a few things here. Here's Ruby. This is our new Dometic chair. Picked that up while we were on our trip. But yeah, I really like how the Crew kayak fits right on top. With that being said, roll the video. Hold on. Alright guys, so we're just gonna check it out. So this is a pretty cool event. Lots of small local companies from the North Georgia area, lots of overlanders out here. We got Super Overland Outfitters, they're kind of the lead on this. We've had folks donate all kinds of cans over here, so donate cans and you get entered for a raffle. But lots of cool vehicles. Over here, we've seen Lewis quite a bit on the channel from Inca 4x4. I'm going to show you a little sneak peek. I'll make sure I don't release this before he lets his followers know. But you know, we've got a little bit of everything. Everybody came out of the mountains. We came all the way up from the beach in coastal Georgia up here. There's Lewis where I got my green bag. He's got this awesome new Defender 4-door, so that's pretty cool. These are actually getting really popular. This is a new item. It's Julka. It's a new shower system. Very popular. He's got AC units, tents, the hot water heater is pretty cool. So you can take a shower. We got a lot of other things. Here's a trailer for sale from tentfreak.com. It's got some lights like mine. He's trying to get rid of, swap out for something new, I guess. Looks like a lot of folks are going towards showers. This is a really clean built Land Rover. It's very nice, showroom quality, very capable vehicle. So we're gonna walk around a little bit. So here's another company here, the Taruka tents. They've got a giveaway, and then we got all kinds of stuff from detailing products to what have you out here. It's a good looking Tacoma over here. You got the front runner accessories. They've got some display items out here. Here's the guys from Truck. We've talked to Ben a couple of times. So we just talked to the guys from Truck. That's the gym special. Ben showed us that at Daytona. Hi guys, we are back with Ben from Get Truck, and Ben's going to tell you a little bit about his bed rack system if you guys haven't ever seen it before. And Ben, take it away.
Hey guys, Ben from Truck. I want to show you the rack we got today. It's the Overlander rack. Fella Jim here likes to call it Jim Special.
Yeah.
But we got the 12-inch rack on this side, and it ties in here to a 24-inch rack on this side. So the 12-inch rack is low, the 24-inch is high, so you keep your awning up high and your tent down low.
Yeah.
Better for fuel economy, and it's one of the custom solutions you can do with Truck.
Yeah. I know we talked last time, and I saw your demonstration video, but you can actually run a tonneau cover on here and keep your gear secure.
You can run it, but you can also open it. That's the big difference about our racks. So you can see here, you can open and close a roll up with a 12-inch rack.
Awesome.
And this is the Mopar roll up for you Gladiator guys.
Okay.
It's one of the widest racks on the market, and we're compatible.
Awesome. All right, guys, go check out gettruck.com.
Perfect.
Thanks, man. He's got his Gladiator down here from gettruck.com. They've got a pretty cool rack system. And then lots of trailers. See, love it. Classic Nissan Xterra over there. I had an 88 Pathfinder, so lots of love for the Nissan Crew as well. And then we've got the lots of campers. So here's a pretty cool camper setup with a 4Runner. 4Runners, Lexuses, Toyotas, just about every make and model out here. And a little camp trailer here. Pretty cool. The thing I do like about the trailers, nice kitchen systems. Those are pretty cool. Another little 4Runner over here. Show y'all some of the builds. See, whitewater rafting, CVT tent. That's where it all began, man. You gotta do some off-road to get to the good rivers. Clean Toyotas, lots of Toyota builds. Lots and lots of Toyota builds. Sorry, my bad. Met with some local guys here, Toyota Club. Pretty cool. Oh, there's a Gladiator. It's almost to the top. Outland Motorworks. I like the bumper. It's a good bumper. Some Gladiator ideas for you guys. Got Lexus, Toyota. It's one thing I wish more Jeeps swing out tire carriers. If I was a manufacturer, that's what people want. Pretty nice setup. I like that dual compressor, that's pretty nice. Dual swing out tire carrier. These guys actually have a project going on over here. It's pretty cool. Putting some bed racks on, looks like, the tents. And check this out, solar panel out here in the sun, recharging all their stuff. So I don't know if any of you guys drive Fords. That's a pretty nice little Ranger. The thing I love about IFS and Toyota guys brag about is all that front differential clearance. Even though you don't get as much flex as a solid axle, you don't have to worry about hitting your pumpkin on a rock. So that's fun, as long as you don't mind three-wheeling, that is. You can get the Suburban build or Yukon build. Another couple of vehicles over here. Another little FJ Cruiser. Got the Rubicon over here. It's pretty gray. Two more Gladiators. Guy's got a full kitchen rollout. It's pretty cool. Very clean. A little bit bigger tires. Looks like stock suspension. Same thing here. Alright guys, so we're going to take a quick look at the F-250 here. This is Super Overland Outfitters. They're the ones that kind of put this together. So they got the Taruka tents, iCamper. But when you get into full-size trucks, you can really carry anything you want with you. Lots and lots of capacity. For tighter trails and stuff, that's why I have the Jeep, the Ram. If you don't mind pinstriping, you can definitely take a full-size off-road. He's got a nice setup though, between lights, antennas, all the comms equipment. I got the back here real quick. He's got the new Zero ARB fridge. He's got the pneumatic water dispenser. Lightner Designs rack, chainsaw. He's got to have a chainsaw. Max Tracks. He's got it all, man. He's fully loaded, ready to go. That's pretty cool. Power, shower, got it all. Pretty cool build. Just want to say thanks to Super Overland for a great event. They donated a whole bunch of food to the local North Georgia food bank, and great little event up here. Got to meet a lot of different overlanders. Check it out. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed our trip. I think this is going to wrap it up for this episode. With that being said, I'm glad I get to share my dream with you, but the true purpose of this channel is to motivate, inspire, and inform you guys so you can get out there and start building your dream.